I have a Ariens 46 inches riding lawn mower. Have had problems shifting gears. Now the shifter moves easily, but nothing happens.
Hello, and thank you for choosing JustAnswer. I'll be helping you today and am committed to providing clear and concise answers to your question. What model and serial is your 46 inches Ariens, please?
I guess it's a 42-inch model 9360460/A175B642.
Thank you. When you shift the tractor, do you see this place moving along with the linkage and actually rotating the shaft that's going into the transaxle?
Yes.
Just to be certain, not only the bracket is rotating, but specifically the shaft going into the top of the transaxle is rotating as well.
Yes.
This means you have shifter keys inside the transaxle that have worn, chipped, or broken. This is very common. The shifter shaft has a set of gears for various speed ranges, and in a groove on this shaft there are 2, sometimes 4, sliding keys with compressible tips that slip into slots in the inner circumference of the gears to engage one gear while the others freewheel. Mechanically this is not a difficult repair, but it does require removal from the tractor and bench teardown of the transaxle. It's a dirty job, since inside the transaxle is thick ugly grease, bentonite on peerless, that needs to be completely cleaned out and each part hand lubed with new grease when put back in during reassembly. The reason for this is to inspect and clean each part, since there will likely be metal chips floating around that will come back to haunt you and cause additional damage if you don't. Be sure to check the gears for damage as well. Also, check the shaft slot for damage and be very careful of the shaft. The edge of the slot where the keys run is razor sharp, and I've seen many tech wearing band-aids when they didn't pay close enough attention and wound up with a painful cut filled with grease. Not a lot of fun. The shift keys usually run about $20, $30 for 2. When you split the case, I strongly recommend taking a few digital pictures so you know how things go back together. The case top usually will not fit back on unless everything is right. If it rocks instead of sitting square, something's not right, but I have seen the gears reversed so that high is low and vice versa. Good documentation makes the job easier. This parts breakdown should help as well. The keys are row. Number 8. Parts list. Hope this helps. If you need more information, please stop and reply to me via the Reply to Expert link in the lower right corner of the ratings box with any issue or remaining question you may have. My reputation as an excellent expert is critical, and I will be happy to continue further and do everything I can to provide you with the best service possible. Your highest rating is my primary goal because that means I've given you the top quality service you deserve. Thank you so much.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.